be a big turtle and that's why he won't come out and say hi to you?
Yeah. How come he's not gonna come out again?
Maybe he's scared of you.
Maybe he just won't come out.
Is he gonna come out and bite your toes?
No. Because he can't move because we're gonna take his picture.
And then we're gonna let him go, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is he gonna still be in our backyard?
He'll be in the woods.
Oh,
He'll
I'm gonna miss this little guy.
You gotta protect him so that nothing else gets him. So he'll go in the woods and he'll hide. That's what he's supposed to do.
Why can't we keep him somewhere somebody can't get him?
Because you don't want him to die, right?
No. We could put him out here in a little hole.
Whose creature is he?
Nobody's.
Whose creature is he?
Ours.
Maybe God's?
Well, why can't we keep him? Because I'm gonna miss this little guy.
Oh, I'm sure he'll make an appearance over the summer.
You mean he's gonna stay here?
Well, he'll stay in the woods.
Stay here, but in the woods here?
Mm-hmm.
Can he stay on the steps by the woods?
You'll have to talk to the little turtle about that.